Elon Musk is trolling Bitcoin. Do you wanna know the last of the crypto space? Then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news, fun on the ride. In today's show, we have to talk about Elon Musk, and we don't like what we have to say. He just sold Bitcoin. This is no good. It affects the markets, and we are going to talk about that. But I think that more than that, that is getting the market down. Probably the stock market is more of something we have to consider. If you see this blue line, this is the Nasdaq in the United States, and the price of Bitcoin just follows the same path. And then this is the Asian market, and Bitcoin does the same. So for me, that's the main thing to consider right now. But anyways, we are going to get crazy about some technical analysis. Of course, I'm not expert. I have no clue, and I say a lot of stupid things, and I like it. If you stay till the end of this analysis, I'm gonna share with you this nonsense about my new theory of the close of the markets in United States and the relation with the price of Bitcoin. But right now we have to put our eyes in the moving average of 200. We are beyond it, but we have to close the weekly candle above it. If not, we're going to think that the bear market stills on. Also, we have this support in $1 trillion. We just surpass it, and we have to remain above it too. We wonder the path of Bitcoin in the future. We thought, remember last video, watch it if you missed that out, that we're going to be in this range for a long period of time. And it makes sense that we may go inside the box, that we go down in the next days. Why? Because in the next week, we're gonna know about the rise of the rates in United States, also the GDP data, and of course the 29th is the last Friday of every month, and we will have the close of the futures in the CME, which is a volatility period usually. So with all that, we may go down, maybe to try support again in this resistance line and the $20,000, and then up again. That would be an optimistic scenario. We hope for that. Also, right now we're trying to find a new model to follow. Maybe once we're breaking this white line, we're gonna do as we did the last time we did a similar scenario. If so, we'll go up and down, and then up again, and we'll see what will happen in the 27,000 line. We have to break it in order to be really happy. It's not going things as past year or the year before that, because from the 21st of August we just went up, and now we are going down. So we are not following that path right now, and we have to see if we follow the path of the MACD in the 3 days chart in two possible ways. One will be like going really up, as here or here, and the other possibility is going down from the point we are right now. For me, the possibility of going still up is that here, if you see, after 3 green candles, we have 2 red ones, and then we keep on going up. So we might have 6 days in the red and then keep on going up. That's possible too. We have no clue. We just try to find hints in the market, and we found one just with the market Bitcoin dominance, and we draw this line, crazy thing too. And as you can see, it touches this point, this one, and this other two. And if we compare this dominance of the Bitcoin with the Bitcoin price, just check that at the very top of the first bull run, we just touched that line in the 71 for the dominance. In the second moment, we have this touch. It was also mostly the top of the bull market, the next one. And then the next time we did, we were around here, so close for the top again. So beware in the future, and you have just listened this in Fun on the Ride, crazy people. Beware of the 71. We may go up now until we touch it and go down again. All those charts, like these ones, you can do those on TradingView. But for things like this, you will have to pay. If you don't want to, just download Atani. You can trade with it in all these exchanges. It's free, and you can also do the technical analysis for free. Thank you very much, Atani. And as a present, as you had the patience to remain until the end of the technical analysis, for today, I'm telling you the nonsense of the day, which is that I've been watching the market. And as you can see, this is the blue line. This is the Nasdaq. This is for Spanish time, 9.5. And for 1 hour till 10:30, it goes down, price of Bitcoin, as it closes. Okay, the past time this happened, you can see the times in the downside, the same from 9.5 to 22:30, it went down, and also this time and also this other time too. So for the last 1, 2, 3, and 4 times, just the hour before the market closes in the Nasdaq, price of Bitcoin goes down. This is available information, or this is just nonsense? Write in the comment section what do you believe about it. But let's talk about the things that are bringing the market down. One is the news that the Eurozone is moving, trying to protect from inflation, and it's raising the rates. This is something that didn't happen for the last 11 years, and we'll see what will happen with that. And as crypto economy is telling us, Tesla sold 75% of its Bitcoin holdings. That's not good. That's worth $936 million just 1 year after buying it. We're not sure if he lost money or not with the sell, but it's sad for the market because Elon Musk is, of course, someone that can put prices in a up mode or down mode. So he says it's just a liquidity crisis, and he will buy in the future. He says that he's selling Bitcoin doesn't mean that he doesn't trust Bitcoin anymore, and trolling a lot, he says that Dogecoin still's okay. More bad news: blockchain.com cuts a quarter of staff and closes Argentina offices. More bad news: crypto exchange Zipmex holds withdrawals due to volatile market conditions. So we can see that that is no ball of the liquidity crisis in the markets because of Celsius and all that fiasco keeps on going. The same for Together. They close right now. You'll have your euros in your account in your cell phone. They sold your crypto and you can send them to your bank. Do that till 29th of July. If you don't do that, then if you have the card, you can use the card till the last day of expiration date of your card. And people are asking me about BlockFi, still partners of Fun on the Right. They just released this document with all the data in the company and how they manage risk and all the things you have to consider before having your money there in risk. More bad news: Canadian pensions fund loses $150 million in Celsius investment bet. Also, more things for Celsius. Timothy Cradle, the former director of financial crisis compliance at Celsius, has alleged that the company engaged in potentially illegal market manipulation using customer funds to artificially inflate the Cell tokens price. So really bad news. And this one, I'm not sure if it's good or bad. Finnish Customs gained $46.5 million by selling seized Bitcoins. So that's good, but it's making sell pressure in the market. So no good for the price. More fear: anonymous Bitcoin whale transferred 46,000 Bitcoin. We don't know why, but we are scared about it. And we don't like that the ex-Coinbase management is arrested for insider trading. So remember all those pumps and dumps when a token is announced to be listed in Coinbase. Well, if they had that info first and they trade with that info, that's not fair for the market, and that's the situation apparently. We are scared, we are really scared, but what scares us the most is this dog that can shoot and we don't want a future when you have to be friends with this dog, and if he doesn't like you, he just sats you. Is this the future? I'm scared. We are still in the fear for the crypto market, and right now let's talk about the good things in the crypto space. So, for example, as we said, yes, Elon Musk sold 75% of its Bitcoin, but he's saying that it's just because of liquidity, and that he keeps on somehow supporting Bitcoin and Dogecoin, of course, which is going up, and also is improving its security and efficiency with a new update. So good news for Dogecoin from Elon Musk. That might be Satoshi Nakamoto, according to Chico Crypto. Follow this YouTube channel for the crypto space. Is the best of the bests. And right now, he's wondering in one of the last videos if maybe it's not Satoshi Nakamoto, Elon Musk, but Sergey Nazarov, the guy from Chainlink. And why is that? Because he was in Russia, he used some IPs, we can track them and relate them with the forum where Satoshi talked, and so many other things. He programs in C++, he bought a web page called smartcontracts.com in a moment where nobody was talking about that. He said that he was working on something like Bitcoin for longer that Bitcoin exists. And also in an interview, he's asked if he is Satoshi Nakamoto. He says no with the mouth, but with the finger, he uses Morse code to say SN, so Satoshi Nakamoto. What do you think about all this? Watch the video. More good news. Payment giant Swift affirms digital assets are key topic on the innovation agenda. The World Economic Forum, the people ruling the world, is now hiring a blockchain and cryptocurrency lead, and taxation on Bitcoin and crypto has been delayed till 2025 in South Korea. Good news that Goldman Sachs settles first security lending deal on blockchain worth hundreds of millions. So the traditional world using the new world, and also for AT&T, the world's largest telecom company, now is educating users on digital assets. That's so good. They're doing a conference about crypto security, crypto safety, and you have to go to fanandroid.com, crypto security, all free courses, so you can learn how to use the Ledger Nano S Plus and X. And right now we have this piece of news where you can buy them in colors. You don't like it black? Well, then just find your color. You have the link in the description. You will help the channel indirectly. Also, the last one of adoption is about the domains, the centralized ones, and Amazon.eth just had a bet of $1 million. I don't know if that's fake news, but the bet was rejected. So maybe if someone just trying to pump it, or maybe someone is considering that Amazon in this crypto world will be worth the domain more than $1 million. If you want to buy one, just buy one on Unstoppable Domains, our friends, our partners, and they help you choose your perfect name. With this link I leave in the description. Just aim for simplicity, find the best length at the best price, have consistency, use the same one in all your places, and strive for greatness, not perfection. So just buy one of the cheap ones, in my opinion, and learn about it. We have videos about the platform. It's time to learn the future. The market is in the green, and in CoinGecko we see that Curve is the best one. The worst are the stable coins, so we have money in the market. Why we have Curve there? That's because the founder is implying a stable coin is in its way, so we'll see. Ethereum fighting in the same price as last time. We'll see if we go and cross 1,700, or we go to 1,400, or even 1,000. Those are the lines we have to be vigilant on. Ethereum merge, get ready for the surge, birds, purge, and splurge, says Vitalik Buterin, meaning that still a long road until Ethereum is done. He says that after the merge, Ethereum development would be around 55%. So we'll have in the future more improvements in Ethereum. Galaxy believes it's a good buy and just bought 75 million on ETH. Or maybe will be Cardano the one that gets all. We just validated a new block. And if you have some ADA around and you want to make some money, well, you can help us going to Cardano on the right. The ticker is Fanon. Thank you very much. More news. Polygon Zero Knowledge EVM rollup aims at cheaper Web3 transactions. So Polygon-matic keeps on developing right now using this layer 2 scaling solution, and people crazy because maybe sounds like an airdrop in the way. It's possible. We have close to $43 billion in the DeFi space and a lot of news about it. Minecraft developer Mojang to restrict use of NFTs blockchain tech with guideline update. So Minecraft is not going to be in the crypto space, but Epic Games just say definitely won't follow Minecraft NFT ban. So we'll see in the future which one of them is the winner, which one chooses properly for the future. Final Fantasy NFTs coming to Polkadot in Square Enix Engine Alliance. So for Final Fantasy, we will have our NFTs and they will be close to figure actions and trading cards. So if you're interested on this, you have the link on the description. Also be careful with your jokes. A holder of a boring NFT monkey just lost 100 Ethereum trying to criticize all the ceiling in the market about the NFTs, but he did wrong and finally he ended losing 100 ETH. So be careful there, and congratulations to our friends in Bit2Me. They just bought Peruvian exchange, so they are expanding in Latin America, and that's very good in a moment where we are saying that we are trying to differentiate between the good things, the good companies, the resilient ones, and the ones that can't do it. If you don't know Bit2Me, go and visit them. Also, they are telling us that we have this fighter, this first woman in Latin America, which will have her salary in Bitcoin. Homework for today. The panic button in the cell phone, it can save your life. What's that? And also, I just ended this book, The Zurich Axioms. Thank you to my friend Ricardo who recommended it, and it's really, really good. We will make a specific video about it, but if you want, you have the link in the description to buy it, helping fund on the right. Everything you buy in Amazon, if you don't close your session, will bring us some commission. Also, if you want to get some draws, you have this one in Bitbase. They are drawing those hardware wallets, and if you want to be part of this draw, then you just have to go and use one of their ATMs. They have them all over the world now, in Paraguay, in Portugal, and of course Spain, all over. So congratulations to, and congratulations to Over the Reality, our partners. They had this partner. You can win. We said that already. We have you can win some of those OVR tokens. Link in the description. But right now they have a new partnership. They are all the time developing, again, a company that just keeps on growing in a very bear market. That's a very good sign. And they just partnered with Land. Details in the description. And we have to consider the crypto world, we have to consider the financial situation, but also the earthquakes. We have here one every second in the world. So all the time the world is trembling. What's going to happen? Maybe the world is going to break like an apple just by the middle. That's possible if you watch all those lights just lining there. A very, very scary situation, and you can see there how we have this line just in the middle of the globe that may break it into sizes, hopefully not. In any case, let's go, as Jesus Crypto Garcia is telling us, let's go to the beach to find some watermelon. Also, car, he found it in the top of a bear market and watermelon. And let's play as this cat is playing with the vent and is not doing very well. He's not catching not a single one. What about this one that is trying to annoy this dog, but he gets caught in the moment? It's like, oh, I was just here, I'm doing nothing. The same for those paparazzis following the cat, pretending they are not doing so, and finally the cats get mad. It's like, leave me alone, it's enough, it's enough. What about this one? Feritina told us about a plateau in the middle of the cave, and we have this dog just drinking in the shape, in the shadow, and just keeps on being thirsty all the time. Try to drink for the proper fountain. What about this one? He's going to the moon. He's going to the moon, or maybe not. No, he's not going to the moon, but not even close. And those two just fighting. Don't fight, because you can end in the water, and you don't like that. That's all for today's show, but you can again watch this show in Spanish in Fun on the Right channel, and maybe practice your Spanish. Thank you for your time and attention. We are researching already to share more info with you in crypto news Fun on the Right. To the